How to add a photo on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to create a photo post instead of a video. First, open the TikTok app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom. After that, tap Photo at the bottom of the camera screen. From there, tap the Capture button to take a new photo. At this point, or tap the Gallery icon to choose one from your camera roll instead. In the next step, select the photo you want to use. Following this, tap Next once you're happy with your selection. Once done, add any text, stickers, or effects if you'd like. From here, tap Next again. At this stage, add a caption, hashtags, and choose your privacy setting. Keep in mind, TikTok photo posts can include multiple images in one slideshow, so tap the gallery icon again to add more if needed. Finally, tap Post to share your photo. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a photo on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.